Alright friends, it's time to get started on replacing our fog lamp assembly. To access this, it's going to be very easy. You just need to get underneath the front of the vehicle on either corner that you're trying to replace. Let's go ahead and find the wiring that leads to the bulb. You're going to find a squeeze tab. We can squeeze on that tab and then we'll gently pull this down. Every time you remove an electrical connector, you want to inspect it. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This looks fine, so I'll set it aside. Now the next thing that we want to do is pay attention to three areas. There's going to be some tabs that come through this, and there's one that's located right here, and then there's going to be two others that are located over here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take this bumper cover off of here so you have a much better view of exactly what's going on, but as you can tell, you really don't have to because there's plenty of room to access everything as needed. Now the next thing we want to do is start removing these three mounting points right here. Generally, if you could go ahead and squeeze in all three at the same time and then press this through, you're going to be able to pop this lens right out of here. The easiest way that I've found to do this with just a small hammer, we can go ahead and give this a couple loving bonks. That's going to drive it through. Now at this point, I'm on my last one. I'm going to hold onto that fog lamp assembly from the backside here. We've got a little tab. There it is, friends. All right, now we can go ahead and put in our fog lamp assembly. I'm just going to take this. I'll come in through the front of the bumper. We're going to try to line all three of our little pitons up with their corresponding holes. Sometimes you just have to maneuver things around a little bit. Once it's all lined up, go ahead and press it right in. At this point, you want to pay attention to all three of your little pitons. All the ears that's on each of them need to be pushed up and through and in the fully locked position. This looks great. Do the same on the other side. Now we can connect in our fog lamp. Press it up, listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we got our lamp assemblies in. What's left to do now? Now you want to just hop inside the passenger compartment of the vehicle, turn on the key, and make sure that you test all of your lights. Thanks for watching.